What is up, traders? Welcome back to our daily ES Outlook. It's Tuesday, March 25th, and after a clean breakout yesterday, today could set the tone for the rest of the week. But we've got news on deck, and you know how that can change things up. Monday gave us a strong 22-point gap up, catching sellers off guard. We saw a little news-driven pullback from the strike midpoint right into our buy zone, which gave us a textbook reaction. If you were patient, you had a second chance to catch the long. All upside targets were cleaned into the close, so let's break down today step by step so you're ready for whatever New York throws at us. The 10-day volume profile is widening, but the breakout above value area high 5,750 and September's value area low 5,751 stands out. We are now pushing past the last period's POC at 5,816 with strong interest building up in this upper range. The weekly one-time framing down at 5,810 is broken, officially flipping the weekly structure to one-time framing up with a low at 5,650. That ends the downtrend we were tracking. We are now peaking around this POC at 5,816, staying above the 100% value range extension and this value area low at 5,783. On the 2-hour delta, we are trading above the weekly VWAP, and notably some selling absorption is happening right here between 5,800 and 5,795. Mark that zone down. On the New York TPO yesterday, we saw a clean drive higher from the open, pushing into March 7 opening range. If today opens above this POC at 5,816, I'll take that as a solid bullish signal for continuation. So let's jump into the 1-hour chart and the strike prices, which are widening again, currently with a high at 5,870 and a low way down below here at 5,600. We're currently inside this Globex gap right here, with a key low volume node at 5,811. Expect some chop, gap means indecision, so trade clean or don't trade at all. As for a game plan, my line in the sand today will be 5,816, the upper ledge of this value and our key inflection point today. Holding above, longs can open at 5,618, targeting 5,828, 5,843, and lastly 5,860. Failure to hold 5,816, shorts can initiate around 5,812, targeting 5,800, 5,786, and 5,765. So today is not the day to get caught snoozing. We're sitting inside the Globex gap, and news is dropping 30 minutes after the open. So let the market show its hands and react, don't predict. If this outlook helps you to stay ahead of the market, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and share it with a trader who needs this structure in their life. And remember, trade smart, not fast. I'll see you tomorrow.